Hi, my name is Marcie, and I'm here to do a quick review for PPC Entourage, which we've been using for about a year now, I would say, the software. And we had heard about it originally from someone on a recommendation, and before we found them, we were doing everything manually, spreadsheets, and just spending way too much time and energy on the PPC management. It's valuable, but it was just taking up a lot of time. So I said to my business partner, there must be an easier way to do this. And of course there was. I said, let's give PPC a try. So we did. And right away I thought, okay, this is like way easier. They had great tutorials. They're constantly adding new features. And I'm like, this is pretty sweet. And it was helping us, and it was making things much more efficient, especially in terms of the time that I was putting into my PPC efforts. And then I'll say, about 7 months ago, maybe a little bit longer than 7 months ago, we actually decided to hire them and use their PPC management services. And at first I was like, okay, here we go. But also I thought there had to be somebody better than me who could do it. And that's exactly what we've got. Our ACoS has gone down overall. Our campaigns become much more profitable, and our organic sales have increased quite a bit as well, which is like, what more could you ask for, right? And they're saving me time in the process. So it's been a really positive experience. And I love knowing that I can go to my PPC guy and, just say, hey, I noticed this about this keyword that we're getting ranked for. Like, can we give it some extra juice? And boom, he's right on it, really responsive. He's awesome. And it's just been so helpful. So I hope that this review is helpful, and I wish you the very best of luck.